Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Approved in April and paid for in September, a batch of 100 container homes are leaving Florida for Jamaica just in time to make a small contribution to housing needed as a result of Hurricane Melissa. Florida-based company Here at Last, HRAL, is preparing to send a shipment of modular homes to Jamaica as part of the fulfillment of a contract with Jamaican construction company GG&A Associate Solutions Limited to deliver 100 housing units. The portable homes, constructed using eco-friendly materials, are designed for quick assembly and can be easily relocated as needed. This scalability makes them a perfect solution for addressing both short-term housing needs after disasters and longer-term housing solutions for underserved communities. During the contract signing, Peter Wanner, CFO at HRAL, noted, "These portable homes are a game changer for Jamaica. They are built to withstand various environmental challenges, including hurricanes and flooding, making them ideal for both urban and rural areas. We are proud to partner with a reputable Jamaican contractor to bring these homes to the people of Jamaica," he said. NCB Financial Group CEO Robert Almeida shared his outlook on the prospects for the financial services group during the live stream of Mayberry Investments Limited's Investor Forum on Friday, November 21. Almeida stated, "We spent the last 2 years doing a turnaround, but it was a major undertaking, a turnaround of our capital and our financial position, our earnings power, but also our physical plant, our technology platform, the human capital base, and customer experience. So a number of different dimensions, and all for the purpose of getting ourselves into a position where we are now," Almeida shared. And he continued, "And so we ended September coming out thinking, okay, we're ready to accelerate now, and we are. But what we hadn't kind of counted on was that it meant that we'd built a resilient foundation, and we hadn't anticipated Hurricane Melissa and the importance of being in the position we are right now so that we can actually respond to the test, respond to the challenge, and work to build, not just build back, but to build back better for the country," Almeida added. For the trading period ending November 26, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 10,053,278 units, or 43.93% of market sales volume. Wisynco Group Limited ordinary shares with 3,016,076 units, representing 13.18% of market sales volume. Blue Power Group Limited with 945,000 units, representing 4.13% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 27, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $56.05 million purchased and US $56 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.74 per dollar, selling the US at $159.49 and buying the US at $161.23. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.06 per transaction, with selling at $114.57 and buying at $113.51. The British pound yielded Forex traders 94 cents in profits, with selling at $211.19 and buying at $212.13. For our credit report tip of the day, when life comes at you with a blow, you never saw coming, everything feels like it's slipping through your fingers. Your plans, your stability, your confidence. And in that moment, asking a banker for help can feel like the hardest step of all. But this is exactly when your credit report becomes more than numbers on a page. It becomes your voice when you're exhausted, your proof that you've been trying, your reminder that you haven't given up. It's the tool that helps you walk into that conversation, not defeated, but determined, ready to fight for the 6 months of breathing room you need to regain your strength. In our funded and focused feature, you know that moment when you feel your business should be doing better, but something keeps slipping through the cracks. That's the silent drain that holds founders back. A profit clarity session forces you to stop guessing and finally face the truth about your numbers. It's raw, it's revealing, and yes, sometimes it stirs fear, frustration, or resistance. But that's exactly where the breakthrough lives. When you see what's really happening in your cash flow, you don't just understand your business differently. You start making decisions that put you back in control, focused, and ready to win. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.